Happy day 63 of 75 hard.
Fit check. I am terrified.
But the workout was good.
I've been attempting to pack.
No time like the present. Happy day 63 of 75 hard. I'm Jess and I'm doing 75 hard with some daily vlogs so you can come along for the adventure. It is just about 7:17 specifically. Getting ready for the gym. I have an 8 o'clock gym because it's Saturday. I am feeling really good today. I just was like looking at how things are looking and I'm feeling good about it. So I am gonna weigh in. I hope I'm not disappointed. But yeah, we're gonna check and see. Nope.
Fit check. We got Booty by Grape bands for core strength and conditioning.
Now I understand why there was no core yesterday. They were saving it up for today.
What in the world? I am terrified.
Look, the roses have bloomed. I have the 1UP Clear Protein and Juicy Grape. If you're anti-grape because you think it tastes like Dimetapp, you would definitely taste that with this. I don't mind it, and I think probably if I put ice in it, it would be better. Like if it was just a little bit colder. That's my fault, not their fault. I'm also curious. I feel like this would actually pair well with the lemonade. When I had the lemonade and the Bomb Pop, or Rocket Pop, or whatever it's called, I mixed those and it was really good. I could see lemon really enhancing this. So maybe the next time I'll try 1 scoop of each. Yeah. I feel like I didn't really update you, but the workout was good. Core and cardio. I was not as enthused by the core exercises until the end. The finisher got me good. So I feel like that was like just what I needed at the end because we had like reverse crunches. So those were really good. That's what I was looking for. Cause I've watched, what is it? Mike Israetel, whatever his YouTube channel is. And he talks about how, like, he talks a lot about the science of different movements and what's actually effective and what's not. And honestly, like, there's a lot of stuff we do at Burn that he's criticized. So that kind of gets in my head sometimes because I'm like, is this even, like, an exercise that's worth doing? But whatever. So he talks about how you really need to bring your, I don't know how to explain it, like your lower half to your upper half to, like, get the most out of a core movement. I don't know. I'll have to watch and explain it better. But anyway, the last finisher part really did what I was looking for. Basically, like, some of the stabilization movements, like planks, he was saying are not as effective as you would think. Like, a plank feels hard, but for your core, it's like not doing as much as you would think. I don't know. I'm not a PT, personal trainer, or therapist, or any of that. So I have received some birthday coupons, changing gears. And so I'm going to go to my favorite donut place called Blackbird Donut. They have several locations in the Boston area. And I don't really go there much because after I moved, I don't live near them. However, I did receive a birthday coupon for $5 off and I want to use it. And I want to enjoy my birthday perks. Even though I'm going away, I feel like I can at least make use of a few of them. Blackbird. got the goods. I got the animal cracker Bismarck. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it yet. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm sorry, but this deserves a photo shoot. Okay, I'm going to bite it because it's so fresh right now that I feel that I have to. OMG. I've been attempting to pack. I'm still unsure about my wardrobe, but these are some of the dresses I had picked out, and then some t-shirts. Here's one of my pajamas. The other one is still on the drying rack. Then I have like normal t-shirts. This is all my gym clothes. It's Rainbow Week, so a couple of these are for when I'm still here, but then we have a whole thing. You know, I'll make a video of that, obviously. So that's what we got going on so far. It's getting late though. I really want to eat something because I haven't had anything other than part of that protein shake, that Grape 1-Up Clear Protein, which I didn't even finish. So I'm gonna make some Kodiak cake pancakes. They are ready, and we have pure Vermont maple syrup. It's pouring out. Pizza time. I am on a roll making thumbnails. I've been on the treadmill for an hour and I've made 18 thumbnails. I still have a lot to go. I'm basically going backwards because my Canva will not allow me to open folders, so I can only scroll through my camera roll on my phone app. And then the other way I can make them is like if I send the pictures to my laptop, but then they don't fit into the spots as easily, because I can just do replace multiple from my phone and they like pop into place and there's like nothing needed, versus on my laptop I have to like drag them all around. So if anyone knows why that is, like when I go to the folder in my camera roll, it just crashes the app. So I don't know, it's been like that for like a long time, and I tried deleting the app completely and reinstalling, and that didn't fix it. Hey Miles. Well, no longer a river, just a small stream. The rain has slowed slightly. My dog has requested to go out, so it seems like time for the outdoor walk. No time like the present. Someone wants for dinner. Hello, bunny.